Good. 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 Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Karsyn here at Sioux Center Chiropractic, and today I'm here with my husband Karsyn Harmsen, and he is just kind of in getting his wellness adjustment. He's a PT student, so he's doing a clinical right now in Sibley and on his feet a lot, and yeah, he's being married to a chiropractor. He has experienced the benefits of getting adjusted every few weeks, so we're just going to bring him through his screen and his adjustment. So he's first going to kind of go through our top tier motor screen, so I will have you stand here and face the camera for me. Good, and then we're going to just look left and right as far as you can in both ways. It's a little harder going left. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then face that way. I'll have you look up as far as you can and down. Good. While you're there, go ahead and go down towards your toes. Good. Hands above your head now. You're going to arch back. That little tight in there.
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm going to have you bring your feet together. Keep those heels down. And you're going to squat as low as you can. Good. And one more time. Are you feeling any tightness in anywhere there?
Right through here.
Right, that area. Same area that was tight on the other one.
Yeah.
I'll have you face the jersey now that way. Feet together. And twist and look back at me. Good. And the other way. Good. And those looked pretty good. All right, go ahead and take a seat on the end of the table for me. And we're going to feel up his spine, just looking for those areas that are a little bit more restricted. And he's pretty tight down here, specifically on that right side. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Good. And that area that he was feeling, that tightness, kind of that TL junction. Good. I'm going to have you bring your hands behind your head like this. Good. Bring those elbows together, and you're just going to rest onto me here. So he's pretty tight in here too. Good. And relax. And then last, we will check his cervical spine. Good. A little bit in that upper cervical area. All right. Well, we will start with you on your side facing me. Good. Bring that hip up. Good. And you can just relax there. Bring your hips a little bit closer to me. Good. Good. And we'll go the other way. Good. That moved easily there. I'll have you go ahead and sit up. I'm going to slide this board under you, and then you'll just lay back down. And we'll get that thoracic. You just relax. Go ahead and take a breath in and let it out. Good. And that was that area that was pretty restricted earlier. Good. One more. I'm going to tuck that chin. Good. All right, go ahead and sit on up. And then I will have you lay on back. Good. Be right in that upper cervical. Good. You feel more motion in there now?
Yeah, felt good.
Good. All right, I will have you come on up, stand again. And we'll go right here. And I'm gonna have you recheck all those motions. So we'll look left and right. Good. Feel a little easier going to the left that time. Good. And then I'll have you face that way. Let's look up and down. Good. And then go ahead and touch your toes for me. Good. And then hands above your head, we're going to arch back. And you can see that just looks a lot easier and smoother.
No pain.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel
Less
tight at all.
tightness in
Yeah.
that middle back. Good. We'll also squat, so tight face that way. And let's compare that to earlier.
Still hard.
Good. A little bit better though.
Yeah.
You feel it in that spine?
Not as much.
No. He has a little bit of some ankle restriction in that squat, you can see. So that's something that we would work on in the rehab side of things as well. That should clean that up a little bit. And then you can rotate back. And that looks way better. You can see that front shoulder coming around a lot farther on that. So, alrighty. Well, that is good for today. Do you feel better?
Yeah.
Good.
Felt
So
good.
Caleb gets adjusted probably every 2 weeks, and just kind of keep him well, especially as he's doing his clinical, and then he'll go into some more studying as well too. So that change of pace will create some other areas that he'll want adjusted. So we just kind of keep on that schedule. But if you're looking to get in for some maintenance, just go ahead and give us a call at our office and we'll get you in. Thank you.